For this exercise, we'll find the volume of a rectangular solid. We'll begin by writing the formula for the volume. The volume V is the length times the width times the height. Substituting the values labeled on this figure, the length of the base is 4 centimeters times the width, 2 centimeters, times the height, which is 10.5 centimeters. And now we can multiply 4 times 2 times 10.5. Multiplying 4 times 2, that's 8. 8 times 10.5. And I have 3 units of centimeters. Centimeters times centimeters times centimeters. So I'll write cubic centimeters. And finally, multiplying 8 times 10.5, I get 84 cubic centimeters as the volume for this figure.